What's up guys, so for today's video I'm going to be doing an unconventional materials challenge with my Halloween decorations. I actually bought Halloween decorations last year and then I bought more this year, so I think I'm going to do two separate challenges. But I used to watch these all the time on Project Runway and I thought that they were really interesting because people would be either super innovative or they would have no idea what they were doing out there. So either way, it was either really inspiring or extremely entertaining. So I thought that I would try this myself with my Halloween decorations, and I actually found this really cool like spiderweb glittery lace type of thing. I think it's supposed to be a table runner, but I saw it at Michael's and I thought that I could make something really cool out of it. So if you guys want to see what I do with my Halloween decorations and how I turn them into some kind of wearable outfit, then go ahead and just keep watching.
Alright guys, so the first thing that I did for this was cut out a rectangle that was my desired skirt length and twice the size of my waist to allow enough fabric for a gathered effect. I cut a piece of nude satin fabric for the lining and a piece of sheer black fabric to attach the Halloween lace to. After that, I measured and cut pieces of the lace that would slightly overlap each other on the black fabric. To make the skirt, I hemmed the bottom of the nude fabric and overlocked the sides. I also hemmed the bottom of the sheer black fabric and overlocked the sides separate from the lace. Once all the separate pieces were ready, I overlocked all three together along the top to make it easier to attach to the final bodice. To drape the bodice, I used the same design lines that were already on my dress form from the silver dress and draped using a muslin. I cut out each of the individual bodice pieces with seam allowance and then used them as my pattern pieces. I cut the bodice pieces out of the same nude satin fabric as the skirt lining and then cut the same pieces out of black velvet to use as my outer fabric. To assemble the bodice, I sewed the back pieces together on both the lining and the outer fabric. Then I attached the front lining pieces and the front outer fabric pieces together. I sewed the side seams for both fabrics and then cut away any excess fabric and smoothed out the lines. To make straps for the dress, I cut 1-inch pieces of black velvet, folded them over and then sewed them down. I inserted these pieces into the neckline of the bodice and then sewed across the top, leaving space at the ends to attach a zipper. I gathered the skirt down to the width of the bodice and then sewed it to the black velvet only. Because the lace was starting to gap when I tried the dress on, I hand sewed each gap closed and cut away any extra pieces. After that, I sewed a zipper down the back and closed up the rest of the skirt. The last step was just to sew the lining fabric down inside the dress, and that was it. So here is my finished dress.
Alright guys, so that's all that I have for today's video. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, go ahead and like it down below. Also, if you guys want, you can watch more of my videos by clicking right here to subscribe to my channel. Put out new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, so go ahead and click right here to see more of those. Also, if you guys want, you can watch my last video by clicking right here, and I'll see you guys on Monday for a new one. Bye!